something going on in my house right now. I could feel myself being touched. I told them to make noise so I could hear it, and they knocked on my refrigerator door from the inside. Tell me who you are. Can you make that noise again so I can hear it, please? Bang on a wall or something? Seeing stuff down this hallway. Seeing like shadows and stuff. This is your chance to talk to me. It's broad daylight. I mean, it's 6 o'clock at night, but it's broad daylight. Can you say that again? I missed it. I'm hearing something. Just a lot of movement out of the corner of my eye. My fridge is turned on, so that tapping, I got that tapping on my other app, my other phone. When I told them to make a noise for me, and they knocked on the inside of my refrigerator door, I thought maybe my refrigerator's turning on, but it didn't turn on. Now it did, you know, 7, 8 minutes later. Can you speak into this phone right here? Or speak into my other phone? I mean, it's 6 o'clock at night. I mean, it's 6 o'clock in the evening. The sun's still up. My house is full. Finally, I got that tapping recorded. That, that tapping around my kitchen counters. I've trapped and killed about 25 mice in here over the last couple of years when we first started seeing them. And the shortest time it took for a trap to get a mouse was 30 seconds. The longest was 12 hours. I have a trap down there that still has candy in it. It's never been touched, so that's not a mouse. And it just started today when I first started talking to him and I'm being touched. I'm feeling myself being touched. But what I was saying was it's 6 o'clock in the evening, my house is full of daylight, and I'm afraid to go down that hall right now. Because I've seen stuff moving along the walls, and I just don't want to do that. I'm being touched all over my body. So I don't want to get attacked. And my arm is achy. See, when Jessica from K&J Paranormal was here the other night, she said it felt like her hand was on fire. That's how they were attacking her. Now my arm's starting to ache, so I don't want to push too much. Can you knock on a wall or something loud so I can hear it, please? They were tapping though. And those 2 knocks, they were loud. They came out of the inside of my fridge. And there ain't nothing. There might be something expired in there, but ain't nothing's going to be knocking on the door. And this is all where that activity has been. Been up here. Been up here. It's been right there. It's been right there. So, and these are not just single photographs that I've caught. This is multiple photos of all kinds of different stuff that I can't explain. Okay. I'm going to keep on it, but I'm going to stop my recording app, play it back, and see what I got. I'll talk to you later.